We are here with Philip Hosten, and I would like to ask you just a few words about your company and your product.
Yeah, okay. We have designed some products. We call them lodges. It's the inspiration of South Africa, which everything is in wood. All the wood is treated autoclave class 4, which means that that kind of wood is resistant against water, it's insect, etc. This is a special design for campings and for what they call in French parc résidentiel de loisirs, for leisure. And this is designed for all couples or families, and we sell mainly to campings and to private people that develop a concept of lodges in a piece of land they have.
And what are your main markets in Europe?
Alors, the biggest market for us is France, of course, because France has the most campings in Europe. They have 11,000 campings in Europe. Our second market is Belgium, because I'm Belgium and so I'm selling in Belgium. Our company, the production is in Romania, in the Carpaths, where we all buy our wood, which is local wood that we buy in Romania. Our market is Romania, Belgium. We started in Italy, but the market is a bit more complicated than France because, well, there's a problem of electricity, etc. And so I think we hope within 1 year to open to the Italian market as well.
And here in Montpellier, what are the novelties of the new products you are presenting to the public?
Yes, this is the new version for 2022, which is a 4-season model. What I mean by that is it's fully isolated. We have 15 centimeter in the roof, 15 centimeter isolation on the floor, and 10 centimeters in the walls. And it makes really a 4-season product.
So it's ready even for the coldest seasons?
Yes, absolutely. You put an option with a heating kit, and you can rent it for the whole year.
Great, thank you very much.
You're welcome.